welcome back to a new video. Today's video we're going to be taking out the 1.2 Volkswagen Polo match for a quick little test drive. So the last drive with the Volkswagen Polo. I don't know if the previous owner has done anything to the car, but in terms of how it sounds absolutely unreal. I'm making excuses, you know? Watch this. That's what I mean when I said this car really does go. Honestly, she's packing some serious power. I don't know if the previous owners tuned it or something, but or maybe this is just what petrol feels like, right? This is a bit emotional for me, I'm not gonna lie. This is a bit of an emotional day, you know, because it's the end of a chapter. Like, this is the end, you know, this is the end of this chapter for this car, and I'm gonna be picking up my next one, guys, and we're gonna keep moving, you know, because the train don't stop.